Hey, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful bag, and this will be very easy way to make this bag, so keep just watching. First of all, take a canvas. Its width will be 75 centimeter and height will be 45 centimeter. Now I am going to turn into wrong side and apply here fusible interfacing. So simply cut it as a canvas measurement and press it with iron. Now we have to take a lining. Actually, it's part of inside. It will be same measurement 75 centimeter and 45 centimeter. This is for inside, I mean lining, and this is for handle. Its width will be 41 centimeter and height will be 9 centimeter. This is for handle. We need two pieces of this, and we need to set here also feasible interfacing. Iron it. I have done it. Look at this. I folded both sides. This is the handle, and now we need to stitch both sides. Look at this. After stitching, this is here already. Now take the lining and make sure the center. Look at this. First of all, make the center. It will be 22 and a half, and from center this side 7 centimeter, and here centimeter, I mean it will be 14 centimeter. Set here the handle. I'm clipping here, and here will be stitch. Simply a stitch here. This handle is okay, but we have other side. We need to attach here also this handle. Now take the canvas, turn into wrong side, set here, and we need to stitch here, but don't forget our second handle. Now I'm going to mark here, and another mark will be here. Distance will be 15 centimeter is okay. Now we should stitch. Look at this stitch from here to here, and this side, whole side will be, but we should leave here some space, I mean 15 centimeter. It will be okay to flip it. After we stitch, look at this. We leave here some space, cut the corner. Actually, it's very little bit. After corner cut, we should do it inside out. Look at this, the way. After this, we can do it iron. Push out the corner. You can use the scissor also. After this, you can iron it. I think we need to iron for better finishing. And now it's time to stitch all four sides. After this, look at this. I have done iron it and also stitch it. Now it's time to measure here 6 centimeter marker. One mark will be here, also 6 centimeter. Here will be 6 centimeter. Second side also, look at this. I'm marking on the right side, not wrong side. We have done marking. Now it's time to fold it. Look at this. Same measurement. It will be whole side 6 centimeter. Iron it. Same as second side also 6 centimeter. This side will need to iron also. Now stitch here. Look at the stitch distance. After this stitch, we need to fold it from center, and I'm going to clip it for accurate. By the way, if you're new here, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Now we need to stitch both sides. I'm going to clip here also for accurate. Look at this. These two side will be stitched. joining stitch. Actually, I have done it. Now look at this, we need to stitch corner also. Fold it like this. Look at this, here will be a stitch, second corner also. So I have done it. Look at this, we have some extra here, we need to join here with needle and thread. Take a needle with thread and join here, just simply join here. Look at the way for joining this corner also. After this we need to do a good iron, and this will be very useful bag. I already uploaded so many videos about this kind of bag and so many different type of bags, so you can visit my channel and you can see so many videos. I mean you will get so many videos that actually you need. So would you like to give me a feedback about this video? Please comment on the comment section.